Hello guys, welcome back to part 14 of this affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Now I'm going to discuss about what is the frequency of emails that needs to be sent to your subscribers. Now when it comes to solo ads, if you're not emailing them enough or if you're emailing them too much, then you're going to crash the entire affiliate marketing system, guys. Now before talking about what is the frequency of the emails that needs to be sent to your subscribers, let us understand the whole email marketing system that I'm using currently in my business. Now, if you see A, B, C, D are the different solo ad vendors, and from these solo ad vendors, the traffic comes directly to the squeeze page. Once they opt in to your squeeze page, the email marketing system starts. So once the traffic opts into your squeeze page, they are automatically added to your autoresponder, which might be AWeber or Getresponse. So there you need to add an email automation series. Now this email automation can be of 30 days maximum. Now currently in my system, I'm just using one email, which is the welcome email as the email automation. And after this email automation, I'm just doing a regular broadcast to the entire raw list. So how many broadcasts do we need to send to the raw list? Now I would suggest you to go for only once per day to the raw list, and from this raw list you have to filter out the openers, guys. Now you need to filter out the openers and you need to form the openers list. Now this is going to be a separate list under your autoresponder. So the raw list is going to be separate and the openers list is going to be separate. And to the openers, I would suggest you to start with once, which is the email broadcast. When you see open rates of about 10% and 15% consistently for a week, then I would suggest you to send the second broadcast in the same day. So once you see the email open rates consistently about 10 to 15% for a week, then I would suggest you to start sending the third broadcast to the openers list. Totally, you have to send 3 emails per day to your openers list, and you have to monitor the open rates and they have to be consistently above 10 to 15%. So in total, you have to understand that we are sending 3 to the openers and once to the entire raw list to filter out the openers. Once these subscribers on the openers list or the raw list buy these offers, they are automatically moved into different list called buyers list C. Now you might have a question, how are these subscribers automatically moved into a different list? Yes, it can be done. There is a secret third-party tracking software that is doing this job right now for me. And you can check the link in the description box below. This third-party tracking software, removing these people from the openers list once they buy the low ticket offer and they are directly moved into the buyers list C. So buyers list C are the ones who have purchased the low ticket offer from your emails. So to the buyers list C, we need to send twice a day, guys. So first we need to send once a day for a week, and then we have to monitor the open rates, and normally it should be above 15% at least. And if it is consistently above 15%, then you can push the second broadcast on the same day. So you have to send twice to the buyers list C. And if at any point of time, if the open rates are not going well in the second broadcast, then you have to drop the second broadcast. So once the buyers list C is formed, and when you're sending 2 broadcasts per day, and once these people buy these mid-ticket offers, they are moved into the different list called buyers list B. Now buyers list B are the ones who have purchased your mid-ticket offers, which can range from $50 to $100, $200, even $500, even $600, $700. And these buyers list B have to be sent at least 1 broadcast a day. So I'm going to suggest you to go for only 1 broadcast to these buyers list B. So what kind of offers do you need to send to buyers list B? Now to the buyers list B, you need to send the high ticket offers. Any offer that is above $1,000. Once they purchase these high ticket offers, they're automatically moved into a different list called buyers list A. And buyers list A is the most precious list among all the list segmentation that we have done in our email marketing, guys. And buyers list A we have to send only once per day. So we have to schedule in such a way that we are sending at least 4 promotional emails in a week, and the other 3 days we are going to send them some kind of training or a tutorial series that is going to add value to their online business. Now, if you have watched this whole entire setup that is being done in my online business, you will understand the frequency of emails that is being sent to the raw list, to the openers, to the buyers list C, to the buyers list B, and the buyers list A. Now, in order to succeed in email marketing using solo ads, then you need to have this buyers list, guys. This segmentation is very important, and especially your buyers list A, because these are the ones who have purchased high ticket offers, which is about $1,000. So you need to send them both promotional and also valuable emails, and also sharing your personal stories with them. Now, if you want to know what is the secret tool that I'm using in order to do this automation of this different buyers list C, A, and B, then you can check the affiliate link in the description box below. This third-party tracking tool is called Opt-in Dojo. So this is the end of the entire affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. So I hope you enjoyed it. So let's meet in another training tutorial series. Until then, bye.